Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope so be here and then you may. I want to take this opportunity to take us through something briefly in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe our insurance ho NTIC be our pesewunya. I find the coin be our suunya. Maybe when you how kakra from any of the insurance companies, but unhu baby our unko. Unhi anchiri move before insurance ho. Unhu dia unye. And nti aseɛ ne nneɛma bi about insurance no ɛnhyɛ da ɛnyɛ yie ɛma wo. So due to that, the National Insurance Commission ayɛ complaints and then grievances hub a wobɛtumi akɔlɔgye wo complaint ebi a wanya how bi wɔ insurance ho na wohu anammɔn bi a wontu a National Insurance Commission ayɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ no ama mo sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛtumi ahu anammɔn a ɛsɛ sɛ wotu. They said the Amayan say, I want to develop a platform here from complaint management system. Now, as our complaint management system, you can easily lodge your complaints wherever you find yourself. And train say, be our beba, if you are now now to me call commission office. So the other is call or browser and so you just search for nicgh.org. So nicgh.org, Estro High will be a friend who about us, the Insurance Act, publications, grievances, and complaints. So you easily click on the grievances and complaints. So click on grievances and complaints. It will proceed the bit to me allowed your complaint. So say the you use the digital system no. In other ways, you to me your formal letter or address it to the Commissioner of Insurance. If you are address it to the branches, so you can address it to the branch manager and the area manager, National Insurance Commission. Now the branch no Akahu, Ebia Kumasi, Ebia Kofridia, Ebia Takrade, Ebia Wa and Aboga. You do all those things and then you easily hit on ground. Now the next steps are obeying say you go to the platform on your website, the National Insurance Commission website. Now we're clicking on the complainthub.com. On your https /NIC complainthub.com. Yeah. And you click on enter, it will lead you to that platform. And I can just click on the highlighted word never. Okay, maybe another tab amount. So you have the normal petition, motor compensation fund, and then you can also check your complaint status. So let's deal with the normal petition. So you click on normal petition, you select yes. Please note that you must notify the insurance company involved before proceeding. And have you done that? So before say will be to me have a logic complaint and make sure say what insurance company company what try all possible means the company is not responding or attending to your issues. And now you just hit on yes. So claimant, petitioner, and then cancel if you don't want to proceed from here. Maybe office assistant or about office or name pending for aiding common. So you can lodge the complaint as a petitioner, as a claimant. So let's deal with the petitioner. You are an individual body. Own corporate institute to be an asset. So as an individual, you just click on this to lodge your complaint. You select you have been an individual. So we are a broker and I will lodge the complaint on behalf of maybe UBI. Select your broker or we are a legal entity. Say if you are a family member, so in that case, the same use individual. So the website is there to help you to lodge into your complaint. So enter the details in this form to proceed creating the complaint. So as an individual, you enter your name. So let me use my details for example. So I have let me take off this. So 0247554899. So you use this number and you select your ID type, and then you use the Ghana card number now, Ghana card. Then you move on to the next steps. So I hire details. to submit the petition. So the first one here, like onboarding stuff, you are onboarding yourself to the platform to lodge the complaint. So you enter your name, you enter your name and then your email if you have your phone number. There are some data I'm being here which are very important. You can't skip those data. So you enter your phone number 4899 and then your residential address, so Kukwase Mayra, so that you can easily identify baby Mayra. Then you enter your digital address system, address number here, and your region. Kukwasi is in Greater Accra, and then you select your Ghana card or any of the ID cards I'll be saying. But we preferably we use Ghana card I. So you enter a Ghana card number, you move on to create the complaint. So to create the complaint, you select the incident date. So date I'll lodge your complaint over here. Then the policy number AE12345 or something like that. Then you select the claim, either live petition, non-live petition. So taking for instance, if you're dealing with the live cases and a live companies, select your live petition claim here. Then the entity of consent, company being our petition one. So and a company being our complaint. Let me use MetLife. Then the nature of it. If you yes, I open surrender value be unlawful deduction. Unka so be until into me select here. Now, my brief information about case now, person the brain, maybe our police or insurance company, we now run to Samutia and Besam Bitias and near be. Maybe our person insurance, bounty insurance asset. Wako document a fee, like over shim and sana. Sa description of your complaint, how they brain, commission. No. So, for the sake of time, we usually need a biageke. Then you move on to the next. You are to upload the petition now. What type earlier on now? I can was no. Now why the Ghana card. Now what the any other document will be here. So Ghana card or petition, somewhat or the pay slip and our bank statement will be uploaded. Home. Then you move it to the next steps. So we upload the area. Okay, next step, my preview of Sanya Manina. Into preview, no be summary of Nema provided to the system. Now I submit it. It will submit here. The National Insurance Commission no ebe hu case ni nyina na afa amahwehwem na amama imwaye. Said the beginning all login na lecture no okok the complaint harbor. You're going to see the status of your petition and your complaint. Until any time you have to be called for him maybe and the response be a maybe so on sa able to me. Have a blessed evening and then stay safe out there. When you're about hitting on the road in the morning at any time, just try to make sure the car now off on what insurance and I say maybe if for you to get to know the car no insurance, you just dial *920 *57# *920 *57#. Over you see a prompt to enter the vehicle registration number. So example AP1234. Then the registration number ABA, ABC, and our 2025, you just add it to it. So AP1234 meaning 2025. So and our 2020, yes. So then you click on send until you see the vehicle registration number on after sending we the make of the vehicle, the color of the vehicle and an insurance company so ensure Kana awful and our Kana the Quabontino. Help us na into me Mwana insurance one this year and call any. Have a lovely evening and then stay safe out there. Bye.